In the plumbing aisle, in the brass section, are these green things. And you will see the hose fittings. Here, these are easier to get than the ones out in the garden center. These are the clamps for the hose repair that I got at the local auto supply. Put the hose clamp over it. I've got this piece here I'm going to stick in it. Have some goober juice, grease. That needs to go. You force it by turning it, that gets that one down and into the hose. That slides up. You can turn that. Twist that tight enough and then shake it